Welcome back. We have the rain setting offshore from Astoria right now. We have a lot of different weather headlines, and let me start with the watch warning map. So in gray, this is Central Oregon. Air quality alerts are up. We've had unhealthy air reports over the past 24 hours in Deschutes County. Expecting a lot of smoky haze in the area again today. And then everything in red, including back into parts of the gorge into White Salmon and out through the Columbia Basin and then near and south of Burns. Red flag warnings for high fire danger today. And as we reported earlier in the show, the Oregon fire map by far the most active this morning than it has been this entire fire season so far. Had a lot of fire starts that really blew up over the weekend. Okay, air quality map with that said today, and again, just to highlight, you see the red and the orange, that's on healthy air down in Deschutes County this morning, and this shows the fire, wildfire smoke that will be continuing to migrate up into Central Oregon, and you see the other various, what this map shows you, see the red little bullseyes, these are all smoke centers from wildfires burning, and the biggest cluster of smoke, clearly, I think you can tell that on the map, is in Central Oregon. Okay, the other weather headline, we have rain. We haven't had measurable rainfall in Portland since June 19th. Now again, that's not unusual for this time of the year, but it does highlight the fact that any drops you can get this time of the year, boy, you gladly take. Here's a look at a solid rain band offshore, just almost ready to hit Long Beach and just offshore from Astoria. Futurecast shows that at 7 o'clock this morning, raining over Clatsop County. And then by mid-morning, potentially, if it holds together enough, giving at least some wetting, if you will, into Longview, Kelso area. Here we are at noon. This shows some light rain moving into the Portland area. The rain chances, I mean, you folks in Salem could pick up a dab, but certainly the rain chances are going to be better in terms of amount from Portland to the north and less to the south today. More rain overall expected up in Astoria than Newport. Now here we are later today. See the little dots. Most of the rain will be up to our north. There's Long Beach, but maybe some traces of moisture this evening. Maybe some, this is tomorrow morning, maybe some traces of moisture going into tomorrow morning as well. Anything from a trace to about 1/10 of an inch. 63 in Portland right now. Clouds increasing coming in from the west is 58 degrees in Salem. Here's the Mid-Valley forecast. Salem 77 degrees. Clouds increasing, that PM shower chance. We think likely rain at times up in the southwest Washington. Portland just 74. And then tomorrow still cool with an early moisture chance, 78. We talked about this last week. Pretty comfortable weather all the way through Thursday. I'll get out of the way. You can feast your eyes on that. We'll be back in a moment.